Hello everyone, I'm Glenn and welcome to my extremely large garage. Yes, that's the entire garage. I'm building a Lamborghini Aventador replica using original body panels along with fiberglass copies of body panels where I don't have the original ones, and a custom built, designed and built tube chassis. The chassis is sort of a modification of the Neric chassis, if that's how you say the name. Modified for the Aventador, and also to use a Corvette C6 suspension and braking system. The chassis itself is all tube steel. I'm using 2x3s or 3x2s as they call it for the framing. These long 2x are just there as my makeshift welding table. So far I've built the rear bulkhead, a little hard to see from this angle. So far I've built the rear bulkhead, the two side rockers, the left and the right side, and I'm just starting to work on the front. It's all just spot welded right now. Once it's all once all the cabins put together, I will fully weld it before moving on to the front and rear sections. Here are a bunch of pieces that I've made already. They're already cut to size and length, with the angles and everything. And some scrap pieces. This fun piece was designed to fit the 3D model that I've received off the internet that was supposed to be a scan of the Porsche 1/8 scale model. However, I guess the designer decided to skimp on doing the rear panels because it didn't line up very well. But now this one here actually aligns really well. It sits on the body, the roof. The roof is actually inside my basement. Some of the tools I'm using, let's see, my 30-year-old, maybe 30-year-old Craftsman drill press. I got it running on, let's see if I can get this open. It's tight right now, but it's set up for drilling steel. My new Metal Devil 14-inch cutting saw with a 66 tooth blade. If you're doing any metal cutting, you need this saw. This thing's amazing. About 200 cuts, and I had to replace the blade. I have the old blade right here. You can see it right there. They're expensive, but they last a long time and do a really good job of cutting. Some nice drill bits set, cobalt, some saws, hand grinders. Oh yeah, my instruction manual that I created. This is the 3D model that I was talking about. That's not accurate. It's not accurate in this area right here. And basically, this is a 200-page assembly manual that I created for building the chassis. So it gives you on how to cut things and whatnot. That was fun. It took a long time. So, this is just kind of the introduction, where I'm at, where I'm going. I have most of the panels either in original form or in fiberglass for this. I still need an engine cover, a hood, a driver's fender, and probably a couple of other small parts. My front bumper I still need to fix. It's original, but it's actually two pieces broken. I'd show you all the parts, but they're in my messy garage hidden. But soon they'll be all put together and coming along on this. I got some, I think it's 14 gauge steel right over there, 62 thick. So that's pretty heavy. This will be used for the firewalls, for the flooring, cover the console and all that. So yeah, this is the start of the build, and hopefully you guys follow along and enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know and we'll go from there. Thanks.